Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Today in this video we will discuss about the TP Link Deco X20 setup process. With the help of this guide we will walk through the easy and short steps that help to complete the setup process and provide the seamless connectivity all of your workstation. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. So let's start the video. Inside the TP Link Deco X20 box, you'll find the Deco units, usually 2 or 3, depending on the pack, each with its own power adapter. An Ethernet cable is included to connect the main Deco unit to your modem. Additionally, you'll find a quick installation guide to help with the setup process. The units are compact and designed to blend easily with home decor. Let's start the setup process. First of all, connect the main Deco unit to your modem using the included Ethernet cable. Plug the unit into a power outlet and wait for the light to turn solid white. Install the Deco app on your smartphone from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play, Android. Open the Deco app and create or log into your TP Link account. Open the Deco app and tap Let's Begin. Select your Deco model, X20, from the list. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect the main Deco to the app. The app will ask you to confirm the light status on your Deco. Once the app detects the Deco unit, you'll be prompted to name your network and create a password. The app will set up your main Deco, which could take a few minutes. After the main unit is configured, you'll be asked to add the remaining Deco units. Place each unit in a location where you want to extend coverage, preferably within range of the main Deco unit. Plug in each unit and follow the app's instructions to connect them to the network. Once all Deco units are connected, the app will test the connection strength of each device. You can adjust the position of the Deco units if necessary for optimal coverage. You can also customize settings like enabling guest networks, setting parental controls, or managing devices connected to your network through the app. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.